Hello everyone, this is Tom with Stock Navigator and this is today's market update for February 4, 2021. So the overall market is still in uptrend. As you can see, yesterday the market is trying to get back and test the upper all-time high. So the Dow is a little bit weaker, but it also gained another inch, try to find a way to break out all-time high. While the other index like Russell 2000 small cap stock, they're doing extremely well. On the big cap stock it's going slowly, but the small cap stock is doing extremely well. They make an all-time high today, as you can see. And the technology stock is also try to find a way to put it to the upside also. And if you look at the Spider SP 500, you can see that today at the last minute they make an all-time high and then they continue to upside. So the momentum is still up, so because we have no resistance on the top, so we will monitor. As long as the trend is still up, we will stick with the uptrend. And if you look at the semiconductor, after they show up, now they hold up there and try to find a way to push it back up again. As you can see here in that sector, a lot of talk like KLA 10 Core, Lam Research. After they put it down, find a support and try to find a way to get up again. And if you look at the bio sector, it's still doing well, as you can see here. The bio sector it try to find a way to put it up high. You see a lot of stocks like ExxonMobil. Okay, they try to find a way to put it back up. COP. Okay. CVX, okay, they all try to find a way to turn around here. A lot of big cap stocks like Apple, Microsoft, they are not really going anywhere, but it's still in the uptrend. But they are not moving fast like the small cap stock. That's why you see a lot of small cap stock. They're doing extremely well, and then put you to the upside. And the Boeing is still doing well. They try to find a way to lift it up. As you can see there, and you can see it. A lot of financial sector also do extremely well. Okay, like bank stock, and you can see that a lot of bank stock like Bank America, okay, Goldman Sachs, right, JP Morgan. So as long as they smell the money, they're going to come to the market. The financial sector will get benefit, and then they continue to rumble to the upside. So at this moment, as you can see that a lot of sector, a lot of different index like oil, try to continue to make a new high. That's why a lot of oil stock is going up very fast. Gold is still have trouble to going up, it's still in the downtrend, and the real estate sector is still push it back up to the upside. The Bitcoin is try to get up again. They have some resistance, so they need to test it out to see they'll be able to get it up again. They have a bunch of resistance, a lot of seller in this level. So let's see they'll be able to build up some more momentum and put it to the upside again. A lot of electric vehicle, it goes sideways, not really moving much for the last couple of days. So far the overall market is still bullish. So we will stick with the uptrend until they change the direction. If you are in our live trading room every day, we look at the chart so we can tell our member where they're supposed to get in. And as you can see here this morning, when the market is open, they shoot it up and then they come back to the support. And then we'll be able to guide our member to take a long trade up to the first resistance here. So that is 17 point gain in the first hour. And after that, the market will pull back down a little bit, and then they give me another chance for me to go and take some quick profit for $1,928. And then the market it continued to rumble during the lunchtime in New York, and then it's very bullish and continue to go to the upside. So this is what we are doing every day in our live trading room for our expert member. So we analyze and lay out the map for the market where they're heading to. So we already set up the today target, and the market it get there, and then the last minute they pump it and continue to, shoot it up to the upside. So that's what we have and what we're doing every day in our live trading room. beside the live trading room, we will analyze a lot of stock, so that we can see where is a good entry level, where is the target, so that we can all share the idea and making money together. We have a very strong community. If you belong to Stock Navigator, we help and support each other so that they can all learn and then make money to support for themselves. Okay, so that's all I have for you this week, and the trend is still up. We stick with the uptrend until they change direction. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. I hope that you have a good weekend, and then we'll see you on the next weekly market forecast. Thank you very much, and see you next time.